Welcome to this Maven tutorial with the Screencapture Demo that shows how to set up a Maven project using IntelliJ on the Mac. It's the latest version of the Mac OS, the latest version of IntelliJ as of November 2022. It's a little bit tricky. There are some tricky steps. This is not my first attempt. This is my third attempt, I think, to set it up. So I show you each step in the successful setup. So we choose Launch IntelliJ, choose a new project. We give the project a title, something very creative. In this case, I've chosen HelloMavenWorld, my favorite title, and we give the default directory location. We use Git. We choose Java as the programming language, choose Maven as the build system. I had to choose a lower SDK version, so I had 19 for my Hello IntelliJ World program, but I had to downgrade to version 17 in order to get Maven to work. And this was true last year as well. I couldn't get it to work with version 19, SDK version 19. I give the project a group ID. That's not necessary, but I just gave it a group ID for fun. Then I set up a new project, and you'll see that IDE downloads some additional software in the bottom right, some plugins and some external libraries that are used from Maven Projects. And it may take some time depending on your network speed. All the directions are typed in the video description, by the way, so if you get stuck, you can look at the typed instructions. That's what the directory structure looks like in a Maven project. That's the pom.xml file, the main build file for any Maven project. And then we get the Maven GUI. We can bring up the Maven GUI from the bottom left. And we can expand the Maven GUI. And the directory structure, those are the phases, the build phases for all the projects. Those are the current plugins. And we're going to demonstrate adding a dependency. So we're going to include JUnit tests. How to include JUnit tests. So we go to the code menu and select generate. And we add the dependency template, generic dependency template, and we type in JUnit as an artifact ID plus JUnit in the group ID, and then we type in a version number like 4.1.2. I know some versions of the IDE will supply these values automatically, suggest values automatically. I typed mine in. And then we get a warning symbol there, and then we have to refresh the Maven GUI and dependencies there. And we see the dependencies appearing, the new ones, so that's the JUnit dependency. And then we see the new import statement, right? The new libraries, the JUnit library being imported. And then the last step is just getting HelloMavenWorld running, right? So we've set up the Maven project, and we can demonstrate how to get HelloMavenWorld running. So I add a new Java class called HelloMavenWorld, and then I add the main method, the static main method. And I'm typing it in by hand because my IDE is not adding it for me. I'm not sure why. I have in this demo I have to type it in by hand, but some versions of the IDE will just put it in for you, like the hello world print statement. So here I print out HelloMavenWorld. And then I just run the program, and you'll see the console appears at the bottom, and I get my HelloMavenWorld printout. So that's the smooth demo. Hopefully yours will go as smoothly as that one.